Welcome back to the channel. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe my channel. Today we are explore how to create brand guideline layouts using artboards in Photoshop. I start by setting up artboards for logo usage, colors, typography, and spacing rules. I slow down here. Brand work needs respect. Each artboard becomes a rule, a promise. I place the logo carefully, giving it room to breathe. I stretch color swatches horizontally so they feel confident and bold. When typography feels dull, I adjust tracking slowly, letting the brand voice speak. Artboards help me keep everything visible at once, which is crucial. I compare sections and adjust hierarchy so nothing feels louder than